Hello YouTube, this is Ben dwelling in Vancouver, but I'm not in Vancouver right now. I am in, where am I? Clementsville, Nova Scotia. And this is the project I'm working on. You can see some changes since yesterday. Taking out the whole floor. And check this shit out. We got some new wood coming in. And I've done a whole bunch of masonry. And I stopped there for the night because I had to do some stuff over there to make it all flat and level. But you can see, leveled out, did some masonry, got the stones all worked out with the concrete, got some new lumber coming in, got a beam in, things are starting to come together. We got our central cornerstone, you can see, nice, flat, where it's supposed to be. That sucker's gonna hold everything up, and the whole freaking floor. But no, we're gonna have supports and stuff. This is gonna be a nice floor. Anyways, so that's the old broken down. This is the new Highness. Yeah. So we're gonna have the floor back together in no time flat. That's all got to be replaced, all the rotten wood along the sills there. All that. But 2x4s are still good. And the walls are still good. So we'll keep that. Remember, this is just a restoration. And I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Looking for 2 days on the job, considering what I walked into on Monday, yesterday morning. This is actually pretty good. We're doing a good job. We're doing it quickly. Alright, that's good. Another shot at the military base. Getting close to sunset. We're having a windstorm tonight. And that's kind of crazy because the winds are kicking up pretty bad. And if you remember what the house looked like that I'm working on today, you'll remember there are no inside walls. It's just what we've braced is what's holding it up. So I think I'm gonna go camp out at the job site tonight and make sure the house stays up. All right, van's clear. Hopefully, of limbs. If that comes down, we can see that the house is still standing. That's tension pretty good. It's got some good tension to it. The power lines and all. Maybe that's what's holding it up. In any case, walls are still straight. Alright. I mean, alright, so I guess we're gonna camp out here tonight and make sure that the house stays standing. Because this is the worst time for this windstorm to occur. I mean, you saw inside, it's totally gutted inside. There's pretty much nothing holding it up inside except for a bit of the cross beams that the cross braces that my dad and I put in. And I mean, like, as you can tell, I don't have too much faith in them with a massive windstorm going on like this. But we're gonna stay for the night. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna make sure it stays up. Everything still looks right. Hello. It's actually coming from the roof. There's plastic on the roof there. I'm seeing smoke pour out of my cabin.